I'm sorry, Peter, but you cleaned the wrong spot. We're gonna drill a hole on the other side.
Measure once, cut 3 times.
You marked the 28.
You're still good.
All right, today we're back on Project Ghost for a second. We're gonna be installing our WPM magnetic charger. So this is the same magnetic charger style that is on Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Paganis, all the high-end exotics. It's just very convenient. So this will be the part that sticks out of your car or motorcycle, whatever you want to put it on. It's just a little coin, and then this will go onto your charger, and then you just tap it like that and you'll be charging your battery. Yeah, real nice and convenient. We do offer our kit with a C-Tech charger if you buy it with this. So link in the bio for our website link of where you can get this kit. You can get just this or you can get the full kit. So we're gonna put it right here. Normally you can install this on like you know, like a more hidden area on Ferraris and Lamborghinis and Paganis. They're installed like on this bottom lip right here of the license plate. So that way it kind of is just out of sight. But I kind of want people to ask me questions about it. So I'm gonna put it on a very high exposed area, you know, so that way people see it, they ask about it. Yeah, but yeah, you can put it anywhere you want, that as long as you have clearance. I've seen people put it on fender liners. Recently I saw a McLaren that had it like on their floor. So you can really just put it anywhere that is convenient for you. But today we're gonna put it right here. So we're gonna drill, it's a 28mm hole. We're gonna put it into the trunk, and then we're gonna route the wiring so that it's nice and kind of tucked away. And yeah, we'll see how it looks afterwards. All right, where should we make this hole, dude?
The thing is, where you
Like
marked, it
here,
was like
right?
right here.
No, I know, but I think here would be a better spot, right?
Yeah, but here is closer to this bumper right here.
Oh yeah, and I won't be able to use my key.
Unless you do it on this side.
We could, cause this, yeah.
And it'll be on this side right here.
I'm sorry, Peter, but you cleaned the wrong spot. We're gonna drill a hole on the other side.
Oh, man, now I gotta clean again.
Okay, correction, people. We are drilling on this side of the car. We're gonna
Yeah, this interferes with the key.
yeah.
That's the measure twice, cut once.
Yeah, good thing we did.
Measure once, cut 3 times.
That's always the option.
Wait, so where's it gonna go?
I think we're gonna put it right here.
Wait, so why'd you put tape on that side?
Because I originally was like, oh, it'll be cool on this side. But then right now, thinking about it, like the inside of it, I'd want the hole to go across here, not like through this lip here. So I'd want it here. And if we do it that high, then
Cut the whole thing.
then it'll go through my key, where the key goes.
Oh.
So then I won't be able to use the key.
Did you want to cut this plate? Or did you
I was just gonna drill straight through.
Because there's like a hump in the back. I don't know if you can. Yeah, that's only
the 7-bolt ones. They...
So it might
Oh,
be
but
a-
the hump
it
will
might
be-
a weird.
No, but it'll be kind of like here.
Is it?
I think we'll have to drill this way, maybe? I don't know.
If you want it lined up on the back side, then yeah. we'll
Yeah,
drill the
right.
backside.
Drill the
But then we
backside,
just
Peter?
gotta make sure that we don't get too close to here. Maybe as close to here as possible.
Yeah.
Like instead of.
Well, we know this is the lip.
Out here,
This,
it'll be
this,
here.
well, this hump is that lip because that's where the light is.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's the light right there.
Yeah, because you're going at an angle, Nathan. You're not going straight. So when
I think this is drill like 5 holes.
straight down, but here it's coming out of like at an angle.
Oh yeah, I know.
Well,
Yeah, I think if we drill like 5 holes, one of them will work.
just straight through. Just pick one spot and that's it. Lock in, dude. Just say.
I guess, yeah. Like
You
that.
got no choice unless you're there, dude.
Right here?
I think so.
All right, okay. Yeah, dude, just mark it. This is like a guesstimate right here where my middle finger's at.
Maybe do it.
Can you drill it from the back?
It's kind of at an angle, so it might come out weird.
Oh,
Yeah.
Because we want it more flat on this side.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Because if we do it the other way, it's gonna look like.
It might come out. It might come out here. Like,
And then it'll be tilted.
it
is
might
this
oval.
just like one sheet?
Yeah, it's one sheet and then a separate sheet. There's a gap there and another sheet.
Oh yeah, because it.
Because I was gonna say like use the starter punch whatever to like notch it, and then you might see a dent on the other side, and then it might help.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of just YOLO, dude. I think it'll clear, dude. Yeah. Commitment, dude. Just commit.
gotta reset it.
Okay. Always use a starter punch, people.
You marked the 28.
You're still gonna need that.
Oh no. Can you cut a piece of tape? I didn't mark where to stop.
Or didn't come all wheel drive? The whole.
I think I'm gonna make it a little bigger on this side. When you install this kit, you need to file a spot for this notch. This is like the key to keep your charger in a position that you want. And so that makes it so like it keys it and it'll be charged, you know, downward or at a 90, whichever position you want to put it on. Okay, that's in. We finished installing the magnetic charger on the car. So this is how it looks on the outside. We'll just leave it there. So here it's wired right back here. We had to rewire just to make it a clean install. But normally when we provide the kit, it comes with a red and black label so that you can put it onto the negative and positive on the back of the magnetic charger. So we routed it through the back of the trunk, through this wire into here, and then it just comes out here. We are prepping this to have a rear battery, so that's why we put it in, but we don't have the relocation kit yet. We haven't made it yet, so for now it's just gonna stay here, but that normally goes there. And so to charge it, if we were to charge it, all you need to do is just lift this up and you put that on there and you'd be charging your car up already. Then you can just pull it off like that and you're ready to go. It's not really recommended to pull this off, you know, when you're driving, like let the car pull it off, but it is kind of a safety feature that if you forget and you drive off, this will just come off. So, you know, it's nice so you don't accidentally pull this and rip it when you drive off. The dust boot cover is optional. I just put it there since it is really exposed on the outside and it's gonna get a lot of dust. But you could run it with just this piece sticking out if you mount it like inside of here. So then it'll be even a smaller form factor. It'll just be this section here, this magnetic coin section, and it'll stick out just this height. I just wanted to put this dust cover again because it's going to be really exposed. If it wasn't exposed, I would have put it without this dust cover.